In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. All you need to do is access tab menu and look for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that auto rotation is enabled. To disable it, hit the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can also go into settings and scroll down just a bit to tap on display. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!